Hello Miri learners! Welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the singular and plural. Hola Miri learners! Bienvenidos a este nuevo video. Yo soy Miriam y hoy vamos a ver el singular y el plural. Let's start! How do we express singular and plural in English? ¿Cómo expresamos el singular y el plural? Most of the nouns add an S. La mayoría de los nombres acaban en S. For example, house, houses. We add an S. Car, cars. Añadimos una S. If the noun ends in S, double S, Z, double Z, X, CH, SH or TCH, we add ES. For example, match, we add ES, matches. Boss, we add ES, bosses. Vamos a añadir ES cuando el nombre acabe en cualquiera de estas consonantes. If a noun ends in consonant plus Y, we change Y to I and we add ES. Si el nombre termina en consonante Y, cambiamos la Y por I latina y añadimos ES. For example, puppy ends in Y, termina en Y. So we are going to say puppies. We quit Y, we add I and ES, IES. Country, plural is countries. We quit Y and we add IES, countries. For proper nouns, we add an S. So for example, the Willies, we say the Willies. We don't write the Willies. We don't change the Y. No. Just add an S. Solo añadimos S con los nombres propios. Here we are going to see some irregular plural forms. Let's see each one. Child, children. Curriculum, curricula. Fish, fish. Man, men. Woman, women. Food, feet. Tooth, teeth. Serious, serious. Species, species. Wife, wives. Wolf, wolves. Mouse, mice. Self, selves. As you can see, some of them don't change. Como podéis ver, algunos de ellos no cambian. Here you have some exercises. You have to change the following sentences from singular to plural or vice versa. For example, if here you have it's a big cookie, you have to change it, you have to change is. A cookies, you have to change every word that can have a plural form. I will give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.